Artificial intelligence can help streamline many aspects of the real estate industry, making it more efficient, more transparent, and user-friendly for buyers, for sellers, agents, tenants, landlords, and property managers. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Santiago Marino with DoorLoop, and today we're going to go over some of the best technology and artificial intelligence that you can use to grow your real estate business. Real estate technology and artificial intelligence. Real quick, let me just remind you that I'm not an attorney and I cannot give you any legal advice or financial advice, but there is one piece of advice that I can give you, which is to like this video and subscribe to our channel. All right, so go ahead and do that. I'll wait. Good. All right. So that being said, let's get started. Property valuation. Artificial intelligence algorithms can be used to help you analyze data on property prices, market trends, and other factors to generate accurate valuations for properties. Property search. Artificial intelligence can be used to improve property search by providing personalized recommendations based on a buyer's preferences and search history. Predictive analytics. When it comes to analytics, artificial intelligence can be used to analyze historical data on property sales, pricing, and other factors to be able to predict future trends in the real estate market. Chatbots. As you may be familiar with, artificial intelligence-powered chatbots can provide 24/7 customer support by answering basic questions and providing property information, even scheduling property viewings. Smart home technology. AI-powered devices can be used to control various aspects of a home, such as lighting, temperature, and security systems. All of that to improve energy efficiency and, of course, enhance security. Property management. This is one of my favorites. As you may have heard, AI algorithms can be used to automate property management tasks, such as maintenance scheduling, rent collection, and tenant screening. And the best thing is that at companies like DoorLoop, we have already integrated all of those tools for you, all in one place. So make sure you check us out, all right? There's gonna be a link right there in the descriptions. Okay? Fraud detection. AI can be used to detect fraudulent activities, such as fake property listings and identity theft. Image and video analysis. Artificial intelligence can be used to analyze property images and videos to identify features and characteristics such as room sizes and property condition. Mortgage underwriting. AI can be used to analyze credit scores, financial history, and other factors to evaluate a borrower's risk profile and to make more accurate loan decisions. Virtual property tours. AI-powered virtual tours can provide buyers with a realistic and immersive experience of a property, even if they're unable to attend in person, so they could really do it from anywhere around the world. Sentiment analysis. AI can be used to analyze social media posts, reviews, and other online content to understand how people feel about different neighborhoods, amenities, and property features. Energy efficiency. As you may be familiar with, AI can be used to optimize energy usage in buildings by analyzing data on occupancy, weather patterns, and other factors to make adjustments to heating, cooling, and lighting systems. Personalized marketing. Artificial intelligence can be used to personalize marketing campaigns by analyzing data on customer behavior and preferences and tailoring messaging to specific audiences. Real estate investment. AI can be used to analyze market trends and identify investment opportunities, helping investors make more informed decisions about where to invest their money. Risk management. Another feature of AI is that it can be used to assess and manage risks in real estate investments, such as assessing the likelihood of natural disasters, economic downturns, or other potential threats. These are just a few examples of how artificial intelligence is transforming the real estate industry. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of AI in the years to come. So that's about it for now. Remember, if you want to get access to more content, make sure you check out DoorLoop's resources page, all right? Where you can find videos on topics such as how to send a new property manager introduction letter, or issuing a notice to a tenant to remove pets, as well as a ton of free templates that you can use for your real estate business. So make sure you check us out. And of course, remember to like this video, share it with your friends and your team, and of course, subscribe to our channel. And as always, happy renting.